Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Jenkins Certification Training Course, Lecture 9. In this course we will learn about Jenkins monitoring and maintenance. Introduction. Why monitor Jenkins performance and health, common issues and errors, troubleshooting strategies, backup and recovery strategies. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome everyone to today's presentation on monitoring Jenkins performance and health, troubleshooting common issues and errors, and backup and recovery strategies. As we all know, Jenkins is a critical tool for software development teams, and ensuring its optimal performance and health is crucial for productivity and efficiency. In this lecture, we will explore the importance of monitoring Jenkins, discuss common issues and errors that can occur, provide best practices for troubleshooting, and explain the benefits of having a backup and recovery strategy in place. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how to keep your Jenkins environment running smoothly and avoid potential downtime. Why monitor Jenkins performance and health? Monitoring Jenkins performance and health is crucial for ensuring optimal productivity and efficiency in your organization. Poor performance can lead to delays, increased costs, and missed deadlines, ultimately impacting the bottom line. By monitoring Jenkins, you can identify potential issues before they become major problems. For example, if a build takes longer than usual, it could be an indication of a problem that needs to be addressed. By addressing the issue early on, you can prevent further delays and ensure that your team stays on track. Common issues and errors. One of the most common issues in Jenkins is build failures. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as incorrect configurations or dependencies. To resolve this issue, it's important to identify the root cause and make the necessary changes. Another common issue is slow performance, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as insufficient resources or too many builds running simultaneously. To address this issue, consider optimizing your Jenkins instance by adjusting settings like number of executors or using distributed builds. Troubleshooting strategies. When troubleshooting issues and errors in Jenkins, it's important to follow best practices. The first step is to gather as much information as possible about the problem. This includes checking logs, reviewing configuration files, and examining system resources. Once you have a clear understanding of the problem, you can begin to identify potential solutions. One effective troubleshooting strategy is to use a process of elimination. This involves systematically testing different components of the system to determine where the problem lies. Another useful technique is to use monitoring tools to track system performance and identify potential issues before they become major problems. By following these best practices, you can quickly and efficiently troubleshoot issues and errors in Jenkins. Backup and recovery strategies. Having a backup and recovery strategy in place is crucial for ensuring the reliability and stability of your Jenkins environment. In the event of a system failure or data loss, having a backup can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major disaster. There are several different backup and recovery strategies that you can implement, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Some common strategies include full backups, incremental backups, and differential backups. It's important to choose a strategy that aligns with your organization's specific needs and requirements. Conclusion. In conclusion, monitoring the performance and health of Jenkins is crucial for ensuring productivity and efficiency in your organization. By identifying and troubleshooting common issues and errors, you can prevent downtime and keep your systems running smoothly. Additionally, having a backup and recovery strategy in place is essential for minimizing the impact of any unforeseen events. Whether it's a hardware failure or a software glitch, being prepared can save you time, money, and frustration. Remember, taking action now to monitor, troubleshoot, and back up your Jenkins system will pay off in the long run. Don't wait until it's too late. Start implementing these strategies today.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.